Indoor air quality meters are essential tools for measuring the quality of the air inside a building. There are many products available to choose indoor air quality meters, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best indoor air quality meters from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. The Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor is a certified device that enables you to track and measure the air quality inside your house through 5 key factors: particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, carbon monoxide, humidity, and temperature. You can easily understand the air quality score in the Alexa app or from the color-coded LED. The device also sends notifications if poor air quality is detected and enables you to automate your Alexa-enabled devices such as air purifiers, dehumidifiers, and fans. Certified for humans, this smart home device is easy to set up with Alexa. Number 2. AirThings 2960 View Plus. The AirThings Air Quality Monitor is a Wi-Fi-connected indoor air quality monitor that provides always-on sensors to measure the levels of radon gas, particulate matter, PM2.5, carbon dioxide, CO2, and VOCs, airborne such as kitchen gases, fumes, and cleaning products. It also measures humidity, temperature, and air pressure. The radon detector is accurate and is crucial as radon is the leading cause of lung cancer among non-smokers. The AirThings app is free and user-friendly, allowing you to manage notifications, check current readings, and analyze trends over time. The device is easy to use and cable-free, with a quick and easy setup and customizable e-ink screen. Number 3. GoviLife Smart Air Quality Monitor. The GoviLife Air Quality Monitor is a smart sensor that measures PM2.5, temperature, and humidity, providing you with accurate and fast refresh data. With plus or minus 15 micrograms per cubic meter accuracy for PM2.5, plus or minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy for temperature, and plus or minus 3% RH accuracy for humidity, you can trust the readings. The 2-second correction data feature allows you to stay updated on the latest changes in air quality. The monitor also offers a switchable display with a clock and PM2.5 display, as well as a bright screen mode and night mode. Additionally, you can connect the monitor with other GoviHome smart appliances to automatically control air purifiers, humidifiers, and space heaters based on the indoor air quality. With free data storage and export options, you can remotely monitor your air quality and view data graphs for up to 13 days. The GoviLife Air Quality Monitor is a reliable and convenient solution for maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Number 4. SAF AirNet for Home. The SAF Indoor Air Monitor is a wireless device that allows you to monitor CO2 levels, temperature, relative humidity, and atmospheric pressure in real time. With its color coding and optional buzzer, it warns you when the CO2 concentration gets too high, making it easy for anyone to use. The power-efficient e-ink display ensures super long battery life for up to 4 years. You can view and analyze historical data up to 14 days through the smartphone app, which supports iPhone and iPad with iOS 12 or later, Android devices with Oreo 8.0 or later, compatible with Bluetooth 4.1 or later. The SAF Indoor Air Monitor uses non-dispersive infrared sensor, NDIR, technology for the most precise and reliable CO2 measurements. Number 5. Temtop Air Quality Monitor. The Temtop Air Quality Monitor offers a comprehensive solution for tracking indoor and outdoor air quality. It accurately measures PM2.5, PM10, formaldehyde, VOCs, humidity, temperature, and AQI, helping you stay informed about your environment. The device features a histogram that shows changes in PM2.5 levels over the past 12 hours, making it easy to monitor air quality trends. You can also export data to Excel for a more detailed analysis. With a user-friendly display, you can quickly understand your air quality readings at a glance, ensuring a healthier living space.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.